Imagine the roaring 20s, jazz playing in the background, the majestic house taking shape, smoke in your background, a true representation of 1920s elegance. Hey everybody, Jaysen Barlow here with Sell for 1%. I'm joined by my dad, Dave Barlow, and my younger brother, Jaime Barlow. Jaime has a house of the week for us this week. Jaime, what do you have in store for our viewing audience? Hey guys, and welcome back to our House of the Week segment where we explore some of the most fascinating places here around Columbus, Ohio. Thank you for the introduction, Jay. Today, we're diving into the rich history and grandeur of the Huntington House, a true gem built in 1926. Obviously built for the Huntington Bank founder, the Huntington House. It is located in Bexley, Ohio. Stands tall, but let's rewind a bit and delve into the roots of this historic mansion. Like I said, constructed in 1926, this grand residence was a brainchild of American architect Alfred Hopkins. Hopkins, I think I've gone over a few times with different houses around Columbus, renowned for his estate architecture, designed this masterpiece for none other than Franz Huntington, president of Huntington Bank. Imagine the roaring 20s. Well, Jaysen, close your eyes. Jaysen, close your eyes. There you go. Imagine the roaring 20s, jazz playing in the background, the majestic house taking shape, smoke in your background, a true representation of 1920s elegance. Open your eyes.
All I saw was financial collapse and destruction.
Fast forward to 1980 then, and the Huntington House earned its spot on the National Register of Historic Places. It's a testament to the significance and architectural brilliance of this timeless beauty. As time went on, even the grandest homes need a little TLC. From 2003 to 2009, the Huntington House underwent extensive renovations totaling a whopping $1 million. Result, boasts over 11,000 square feet of living space now. The great room is more than great, towering 28-foot ceilings, an abundance of natural light, and exquisite woodwork make it a truly special and breathtaking room. Despite the updates, the Huntington House has managed to preserve its charm of the 1920s everywhere you look while you're inside. Subtle nods to the era of glamour and sophistication. Of course, there's a chef's dream kitchen, white wood cabinetry, marble countertops, and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. It's a feast for the eyes. With a total of 9 bedrooms, no shortage of space. It's evidence that the decor throughout the house is both timeless. Even in the bathrooms maintain this sense of grandeur. The Huntington House sold for $1.8 million in April 2020. If you're interested in more details or want to take a closer look, head over to the full listing. If you have trouble finding it, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help. Really cool house to look through the pictures and see this really 1926 historic house here that represents a lot of Huntington. I banked with Huntington, so I take pride in that regional banking, little small-time banker, small-town pride. Anyway, concludes our journey of the Huntington House. Blend of history and luxury. If you guys want any more information, want any help in your home hunting or selling journey, reach out to any of the guys here with Sell for 1%. Info should be on the screen. Please feel free to share, like, or subscribe. Comment your mother if she banks at Huntington and have her take a look at the history. All right. Thanks, guys.
One of the cool things about that is you said 1926 it was built?
Yep.
I mean, like in today's world, an 11,000 square foot house is a big house. But there's one being built down the road for me here on 315. It's like 30,000 square feet. So the millionaires of yesteryear, 11,000 square feet, 1926. Jay, you do a lot of listings, over there in the Bexley area or the Eastmore area, just, to the east of that, headed back towards downtown. Like the average size of a house back then was like 700, 800 square feet. And then you have this 11,000 square foot house. That's a ton of space in 1926. I mean, that's what kind of caught my attention.
I am imagining France Huntington talking to Alfred Hopkins about the architecture, and Hopkins saying, well, do you want 10 bedrooms? And France goes, no, that's way too many, 9.
Yeah. Yeah.
You want 20,000 square, 12,000 square, 11.
Yeah.
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 But definitely cool.
It was cool. Well, thank you. Good stuff.